you can't get that wave on your own without this cool little machine. Like, look how beautiful that is. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be reviewing the Dyson Airwrap styler. I got the complete set with the purple attachments. I just thought the purple was really pretty. I don't know why purple's cooler. Like if you're team purple and not team pink. Hair is very damp, so we are gonna blow dry it first with the blow dryer attachment and see how it looks. But we're not gonna do it all the way because I really want to do my signature curly wavy hair, but I just want it to be done quick and look good and not frizzy, because you know what, y'all, I'm on a journey. I'm on a nice hair journey. I just want my hair to look nice. That's why I bought this thing. I thought if I hated it, I can always send it back. I just want my hair to look great without me putting that much effort in. You know what I mean? Alrighty, so we're gonna first dry this with the blow dryer attachment. It comes out of this end, not the purple end. I didn't know that, but I wasn't expecting it when I first got it. Okay, my hair is relatively dry. I didn't do it super much. I actually forgot to put it on the highest speed. Can you tell I'm new with it? I'm learning. I think I'm just gonna start with the curling and see what happens. I actually just discovered that there's the larger curlers and then the smaller. I read online the smaller is for more wavy, the bigger is for more wavy, and this one's for more ringlet. But let's try the smaller just because I've only used the bigger ones and I want to like see what it's like. And I always think my hair looks super beautiful. It does look quite natural. So you want to have the arrows pointing away from your face. So they're pointing that way, so we go this way. That is way more of a ringlet. Holy cow. That's awesome. Should I keep doing this or should I go with the bigger one? I don't know. It looks so cool. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going. YOLO. And blast it with some cold air. Okay. How does she look? Ooh. Definitely a curl. I don't know, it's not really wet. Wow, that is gorgeous. Okay, I might like the smaller barrel a little bit better, but let's try the big one on the other side. I still get confused. I'm like, wait, what is it again? Okay, so let's do the bigger one on this side. I have more hair on this side because my hair is parted this way. First, and then pop that baby up there. Turn on the heat. See, definitely a lot more relaxed than this side. But I like this too. Like, this looks like natural. Like, if I can get my hair to look natural, this is like the best it looks when it's natural. But see, I love like the flowiness of this. It's just like a good wave. This is a bit more curly. So let's finish it off. This is honestly the coolest thing ever. Okay, so now my hair is like crazy curly at the bottom. I'm just gonna brush through that so it looks a bit more natural. I just feel like I just got out of the salon, honestly. Okay, let me work on this side a little bit because I've been giving this side a lot of love and I feel like this side needs a little bit of body. So let's switch out the barrels. Let's do this side. That's the much bigger barrel. It doesn't do the smaller curls. Plus that was a really really big section. Okay, let's do some of these under hairs. I don't know about y'all, but this honestly looks incredible. I love that it's like a blowout, but you don't have like, it doesn't require a lot of skill. You're just kind of using these tools and you get that look. I love that you get tons of volume with it. I knew that this would be more likely to be really good on my hair because I have kind of wavy hair. It holds the curls super well. Like I hardly ever need hairspray or anything like that for me to hold it. And I figured in my head, just after watching tutorials, that this would be the best for me. And I really think so. I'm not really sure about other hair types. I've noticed people with super long hair, this barrel doesn't really it's not long enough, but I think you can buy one that's longer. So yeah, if you definitely have wavy hair that's prone to curl, that's a little bit unruly, like it's hard to kind of style without applying some amount of heat or air drying or something like that. That was me, and I really like it. I think it's so cool. It's definitely not like the quickest thing ever. Like you still have to sit down and do it, but I'm a night washer. Like I like to take my shower at night. I like to do everything at night, and I even do this at night because I like it. I like to take my time with it. But when I wake up more in the morning, sometimes they'll be just a little bit flatter, and I'll just lightly spritz my hair, get the small curling attachment, and just kind of do some quick little curls throughout. But yeah, I don't know, I just really like this Dyson. Is it worth the price? Here's the thing, if I was to buy every single one of these and get a super nice quality of them, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be like $500, and that's about what it is. The whole technology where it doesn't burn your hair, like my curling one that I use like on the daily before I got this, it always left the smell in my hair that was just like burnt, and I would have it on the lowest setting. I don't know if it's just my hair that does that or if it's like just the heat. Whatever it is, I do not like the smell, and right now my hair smells so good. It smells like my shampoo. Like I haven't even put any oil or product in it yet. I need to part this better. But yeah, so far I just really like it. I know, I really didn't want to like it because the first few days I was like, I'm going to keep the receipt and I'm going to send it back if I don't like it. But I love it. I actually love it. But if you guys can afford it, I highly recommend. I don't think you need this. Like this isn't something you need, but if you have like my style hair and you're on a journey to get better hair, this will definitely help you because I just absolutely love it. I think my hair looks fantastic. It's so shiny, it's so healthy, it doesn't have a smell, and yeah, I just love it. But thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a like, especially if you like the purple one. Would you have picked the purple or the pink? Comment down below and let me know. Alrighty guys, I will see you all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and y'all have a blessed day. Bye now. I love this curl. It's just so stinking beautiful.